cool. Look, Kelsey, these are the eggs. That's what the eggs look like. And then they turn into like little tadpoles. See the tadpoles?
Yeah.
And then they like grow legs and stuff. And then they become like actual frogs.
Can we feel those?
Touch it.
Is it real?
It's real, but it's dead. It's like real, but dead. Northern leopard frog. That's cool.
A leopard snake frog.
Yeah. This is the eastern garter snake. And this is a eastern milk snake. Oh, he's pretty. Oh, they're so cool. That's cool. Milk snakes got their names because it was once believed these snakes would suck the milk from a cow's teats. They may be seen in barns with cows, but they're only after mice. That is so cool. That's a skeletal. This is pretty neat. This is like, it's hard to see, but there's a snake in here, and I think another snake, and then a frog. Isn't this neat? What else is in here? Blake, you see all the animals? Come here. What is this? Oh look, they're bees. I don't see any bees.
There's bees in there.
Are there bees in there? Whoa. Bees in the trap! You feel it? Do you feel it, Blake? Now that's what I call bees in the trap. Is that cool, Blake? This is a hissing cockroach.
What?
Yeah, that's what cockroaches look like up close. Ooh, okay, we're going away from here now. Put him down, Kelsey. Put him down. He can walk. Look at all the turtles. Eee, turtle. What is in there, Jesse? Oh, it's a big turtle. See it? That's cool. What is over here? Oh, more turtles. Turtles. Yeah. Press the button. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wow. That is so neat. That's cool. It like lit up. Watch.
Which one did we just walk?
I don't know. This is all water. This is the park that we're in. That's Stony Creek all right there. A 26-mile view. Huh. There's Bambi. Rachel, did you see Bambi? Furs. Aw, that is so cute. I wish they were alive. I want one. Yeah. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Look at that face. Look at his mouth. Look inside of his mouth. Look. He can roll his tongue. Look at that. He's rolling his tongue. Rachel, you jealous? No. You jealous that the bear can roll his tongue? What is this? A turkey vulture? It's pretty cool. Look at the kids. Guys ready? Do you see all the little froggies? Look at the froggy. See him right here, Blake? Look at my hand. Up here. See him? Any cool? You see a bird? That's Bambi. Isn't that cool, Kurt?
Here, Blake. I'll get a picture. You want a picture?
Yeah, take a picture. Stay right there. Say cheese. Blake.
Blake.
Blake, look at us. Hold on.
Blake, look. Look at Daddy. Look.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Blake.
Well, take a picture with Bambi.
Blake. Come here.
Hey. Blake.
You don't like me.
Come here. Hey. Hey. Don't tap that. Uh-huh. Come on, let's take a picture with Bambi. Come here. Come here. Stand right here and look at Daddy and say cheese. Say cheese. Look at Daddy.
Look.
Look at Daddy. Blake. He's so like amused by it. Look at Daddy in the camera.
Look, right here.
Blake, look at me.
Blake.
Blake.
Look, Caillou, right here.
Look.
Look at
Say
Caillou.
cheese.
There, I'm sorry.
It's better. Yeah. You see the fox?
We can touch the bear.
This is cool. This is the... Yeah, they got a 3-mile nature trail. I can't talk. Nature trail. We did the 1 3/4 mile, I think. The Osprey.
1.25 miles, so 1 1/4.
Yeah, so we did that bottom one, this one right here. We walked that one. It's like a big circle. This is the whole park. This is our one beach that we have here. It's like Stony Creek. This is all of it. This whole thing. And this is like 2 counties. Oh, there's more? Oh my goodness. Hey, you guys, there's more. There's more birds and stuff. Oh my goodness, look at all the birds. Look at all the birds. Wow. Look at all the birds, Blake. And the ducks.
Where's Bobby?
Yeah, where's Bobby? Do you see Bobby? Don't touch the glass. No, ducks. Remember our ducks, Jesse? Oh, look at the squirrels. Look, Blake, the squirrel. Look at him. Look at him. He's holding a sign like he's homeless. Oh my goodness, this is creepy.
I wonder how Blake's diaper is.
I can't tell. We'll check them when we get over to the where we're gonna eat. Yeah.